Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another wellness unboxing video. If you are new here, I'm Marissa. I'm a pharmacist and integrative nutrition health coach, and I make videos on food, healthy eating, and holistic living to help you to improve your health as well as your happiness. I truly love using essential oils. I use them every single day. They have made such a huge difference in my health and my happiness, and every month I order them from Young Living. So I get all of my essential oils from them, but what's really cool is that they also carry a lot of other home care and personal care products. So it's really a one-stop shop and also an easy button if you are looking for non-toxic products that work super well. They're all very high quality, and the majority of their products are also infused with their own essential oils, which I love. So this is my loyalty order for the month of January of 2024. Okay, so this month I ordered a brand new kit that they just came out with, and it's called the Make a Shift Reset Kit, and it contains my favorite everyday wellness supplement in it, and that is NingXia Red. So here's what the box looks like. If you're noticing some like staining here, or even when I open the box, like right up here, that's because one of the packets leaked and it definitely left its mark everywhere, but the rest of it is still good, and Young Living customer service rocks. They took care of the issue and it's all good. But anyway, so up here you see all the directions on how to use the kit, and then at the bottom you see all of the beautiful packets of NingXia Red. I also love the detail that they put on here. So they have day 1, day 2, day 3. It's a 14-day reset, so you have enough NingXia packets here to last you through a 14-day reset with that. And then once you're done with this, you can actually just get the larger bottles of NingXia Red. And that is going to be a really nice way to continue on with it. But this is a really fun way to kind of get started with it all. And I love all the they have little words and stuff at the bottom, and all of these things, and encouraging messages and stuff. So it's really cute. I love the packaging, and they did a great job. So NingXia Red is a whole food supplement, and it supports whole body wellness by providing lots of antioxidants and nutrients to the body. What makes this so incredibly special is its ingredients. It contains the NingXia wolfberry that comes from the Ningxia province of China. And Young Living uses the whole fruit in here. So it's a puree. It's not just the juice that is present in here. There is also the skin and the pulp of the wolfberry. It has an incredible nutrition profile just by itself, which I'm going to talk about in just a moment because it's so fascinating. But in addition to the NingXia wolfberry puree that is in here, NingXia Red also contains blueberry, plum, cherry, aronia, and pomegranate juices, along with 4 of Young Living's essential oils: orange, tangerine, lemon, and yuzu. So there are a lot of nutrients in here, and because of those nutrients, NingXia Red can support our entire body. So I want to mention a bit about the nutrition of the NingXia wolfberry, like I just a moment ago, because in my opinion, it's extremely fascinating, and it also helps to explain why this fruit and why this supplement is able to support whole body wellness. And I always think that it's important to understand the why behind something. So the NingXia wolfberry contains fiber, protein, all of the essential amino acids, polysaccharides, which are healthy sugars that are needed for cell membrane function and structure. Also contains polyphenols, vitamin C, and actually wolfberry has the highest content of vitamin C of all fruits and vegetables. When I read that, I was like, what? That's amazing. It also contains calcium, beta carotene, zeaxanthin, which is an important nutrient for eye health, a micronutrient called betaine, which is important for liver function, digestion, DNA function, and also B vitamin metabolism. And it also contains lots and lots of antioxidants. And antioxidants are important to consume each day to help neutralize free radicals and protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. And that right there is just the nutrient profile of the NingXia wolfberry itself. And as I previously mentioned, NingXia Red, the supplement here, also contains other superfruits and essential oils that lend their own nutrients and health benefits as well. So truly, truly amazing. And there was actually a clinical study recently done on NingXia Red, which is the supplement here, and that was performed by the Franklin Health Research Center. And they showed that study participants who drank NingXia Red saw an increase in physical energy levels, a reduction in physical limitations. That's amazing. They saw improved sleep patterns. Thank you. And a reduction in daily stress and an improvement in mental well-being. And thanks to the nutrients that are present within the NingXia wolfberry, this supplement can also help to support eye health, healthy digestion, healthy inflammation response, and respiratory function. If you would like to read more on this, I will leave some links in the description box. And what I love about this kit is that it can help us to start taking small steps like drinking these packets each day that will help us to not only consume lots and lots of nutrients for our body so that it can maintain health and vitality, but also to help us to get the ball rolling, so to speak, and start implementing healthy habits into our life, like moving our body, eating more real foods, and managing stress. Because when we start with one thing, something small, which is totally okay, it can lead us to incorporate another healthy habit into our life, and so on and so forth. Unfortunately, improving our health doesn't happen overnight. I really wish it did, and I'm pretty sure that the majority of you who are watching this video really wish that it did too, but unfortunately it just doesn't. And it really comes down to our daily habits. And I have found, just for me personally, that big changes happen when coupled with small, consistent action over time. And in my opinion, the NingXia Reset Kit is a great place to start. It's super easy to incorporate into your day-to-day life. You are fueling your body with lots and lots of nutrients that it's going to need in order to either improve your health or maintain your health and your vitality. They come in packet form. They do come in like big bottles as well, but the packets are so convenient. Bring these with you on the go, bring it to work or school. They're naturally caffeine-free and they don't contain any added sugar, and they taste delicious, just like berry juice. They are so good, and I truly look forward to drinking these each day. And in my opinion, they taste the best when they are cold, so put them in the fridge or serve them over ice. Okay, so that was a lot of information right there, but I really wanted to take a moment to explain the health benefits of the NingXia Red supplement and the NingXia wolfberry that's used in order to create the NingXia Red supplement, because knowing the science and the why is so important to me, and it helps to explain and understand why this supplement is so supportive to your entire body. Hey you guys, I'm in my kitchen right now, and I just want to show you like a very quick tutorial on how you can actually take NingXia Red and consume this. This is incredibly easy. Do not overthink this, for any of my overthinkers out there. And I say that with love because I am an overthinker too. I overthink everything. Do not overcomplicate this. It's very simple. Okay, so you can put this in your refrigerator because it tastes the best when it's cold. And you can drink it straight out of the packet, okay? That's it. Or you can like put this in a cup, serve it with ice. You can dilute it with water. You can do it in like a nice big cup to like get a lot of it. You can put this with seltzer, so you can like flavor seltzer, which is really a great way to help kind of like ease you off of like soda. If you're kind of like in the soda thing, you're trying to like quit drinking soda. So a lot of different ways that you can do this. You can make like a fun punch. You could put this with like a healthy, like light and sweetened lemonade. I have a recipe for that on my channel too. Truly endless possibilities here. You can even, I think the Young Living website even has where you can make like frozen popsicles, which is kind of fun because we're going to be getting close to like summer and spring soon. Or I think they even have like a gummy recipe, like for kiddos and stuff. The possibilities here are endless. What you're gonna do is they have like little indentations here. You're just gonna like twist this off, pull that off. And then I like it with a little bit of water, and this is some ice. So that's all that's in here. And if you drink it just on its own, you may find that it's kind of strong. Like it tastes concentrated to me. That's why I like to dilute it a little bit, but it's so good. Tastes like berry juice. I'm just gonna put it down and make sure that you get, oopsie, all of the goodness out of here. And then what you could do is give it a stir with a spoon, or just shake it like this. And that's it. So easy. And then with the NingXia kit, I received a bottle of this Young Living Vitality Drop in the flavor of grapefruit and bergamot, which I'm very excited about. I have not tried this product yet, and I'm really excited to get it. And I got it for free. It was a gift with purchase for January. Gifts with purchase like change each month. And when you hit a certain price point, when you're ordering on loyalty rewards, then they will just go ahead and send that with you, with your order to you. So this right here is like a healthy way to like flavor your water instead of getting something that is like tons of sugar or artificial sweeteners, or like lots of like food coloring and dyes and everything. This is a nice healthy alternative, and grapefruit and bergamot just sounds so good. I'm really excited for this. And then another great perk of ordering on loyalty rewards is that you can accrue points with each loyalty order that you process. So for the first 3 months that you order on loyalty, you get 10% back. And then on months 4 to 24, you earn 20% back. And then after that, you'll earn 25% back on every loyalty order you process, so long as you keep ordering. And I have been ordering with Young Living for over 2 years now, and I've hit that 25% back in loyalty points. And those points I use to just buy more products for free, and all I pay is shipping. So it is such a sweet deal. And this month I got 2 essential oils using my points, but just to let you know, I usually use my points to buy my NingXia. So imagine all that goodness, and all I pay is shipping. So that's usually what I do. So the 2 oils that I got, I have one called Panaway, and this oil is a restock. I love this oil. I use this to help me support sore muscles and joints. And usually what I do is I put this in a roller with jojoba oil, which is a carrier oil, along with peppermint and lavender essential oils. And I find this combination to be very, very helpful for my sore muscles and joints, especially when I need to like massage a muscle a little bit. For example, when I'm editing a video and I'm like looking down at my computer, I can deeply like focus in on the task, and I can sit there for hours until it's done. I am a task-oriented person. I'm not a time-oriented person. But anyways, I get the task done, but at the end of it, sometimes I feel like my neck is a little bit sore and I just need to like massage it a little bit. So I will take the roller with these oils and I will roll it on there, massage it, and it's so helpful. And last but not least is a bottle of Northern Lights Black Spruce. So I had a 5 ml of this. I didn't know if I was gonna really like love it. But once I started using it, I really loved it, and I ran out really quickly. So I got a 15 ml this time. So now I am stocked for a good little while. And what I love to do with this is I love to add this into my diffuser right before I go to sleep at night. And my sleep has been so nice. Additionally, this oil is really great to help support you emotionally. So it's great for emotional support. Really all tree oils are good for that. But lately I have been just like really loving this particular oil, and you can use this at the end of the day or in the middle of the day whenever you want to feel a little bit more grounded and relaxed. Okay, you guys, so that was my January wellness order from Young Living. If you want to get started with Young Living and get some oils or NingXia or even some of their cleaning products into your home, then you can use my link in the description box. And once you order, make sure that you are on the lookout in your email for a welcome email from me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay well, everyone. Bye.